Welcome back to part 2 of the 5-foot bear. In this video, we're going to be working on the feet, and then we're going to work our way up to the hands, and then we're going to start working on the face, as well as furring, burning, sanding, and then the paint that goes on afterwards. And without further ado, let's rip it. So now that we got the rocks done, we're going to be working on the paws next. How I do claws, personally, is I make a line through each one of these first, and I come in at both angles, like that. And now we're going to start working on the head and the muzzle. So we got the face, the eyes, and the ears done. And now we're gonna go ahead and fur this whole bear, and we're gonna be using the power gouge for that. So I had a question in my comments right here about how I fur a standing bear. How I like to do is I like to start from the head and then work my way all the way down. Thank you. I'd like to take a second and say a huge thank you to everybody that's following this journey. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate the people that have been following, liking, and commenting. I really appreciate the support. With bears like this, it's kind of hard to get the power gouge into these small points right here. So I use the MS-170 to do the furring in there. And now we're gonna move on to my favorite part of carving. We're gonna be burning the piece. So now we're gonna work on to sanding, and I'm gonna use the flap sander. We're gonna be using the angle grinder with the sander attachment on it to work on the muzzle and the claws on both the hands and the feet. So now that the sanding's done, we're going to be working on the paint. And for the painting, we're going to be using spray paint and airbrush. The shadows, we're going to be using black spray paint and dark brown. That's how you make a 5-foot bear. I really appreciate you following this little mini series with me. If I should do more bigger carvings in series, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.